how does it feel to be part of Voltes 5 legacy for the next generation?
Oh my God, pare. Dream come true. Kasi ako yung unang generation. Sinusubaybayan ko yan every Friday.
Yes.
Nung unang labas. Tapos nung nabalitaan ko na mayroong parang project si Direk Mark Reyes, sabi ko kailangan ko, I have to be a part of it.
Kahit anong mangyari.
Kahit natapakan ako ng Beast Fighter, kahit na Mad Scientist, kahit ano, tapos nakasta ko as Commander Guard. So yung napakasarap dito, parang tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung childhood mo. The next generation. So it's our love for not only the toys, not only the super robots, but for the characters and for the world that they built.
Wow, new face talaga. It's always been an honor to be part of Voltes 5 alone as a cast member. And to be tapped to portray Commander Robin. When I heard about the project, sabi ko kahit sino dyan, kahit sinong character, kahit isa ako sa mga taga-Bosenia, walang problema.
Basta makapasok lang.
Basta makapasok lang.
Yes.
But then when they decided to give me the role of Commander Robin, sobrang akong natuwa. Kasi I grew up Short trivia lang. When I went to the set, to the studio, I saw the set, I saw the conveyor,
Yeah.
kung saan sila matakbo yung Voltes 5.
Wow.
It brought me to tears. So doon ako natuwa.
So good.
Doon pa lang the experience while reading the script and then remembering, oh, ito yung mga linya na.
Yeah.
Nakakaluwa.
Wow! Announcement pa lang sa akin, mangyak-ngyak na ako dahil napili akong parte ng Voltes 5. Especially nung inunood namin yung unang-unang screening namin, magkatabi pa kami ni Gabi nanonood. Pagbukas ng ilaw,
Yeah.
hindi kami ni Gabi pa rin kami umiiyak. Kasi talagang kinalakihan namin.
Sobrang thankful ko po talaga kasi tuwan-tuwa nga po sa aming mga cast kasi last year pa po namin ito shoot. And hanggang ngayon, buhay na buhay pa rin po si Voltes 5 and may kami sa Japan kaya we really made a legacy po. Kaya tonto po.
How does it feel na ikaw, magiging, at my age na almost 50, makikita mo pa rin yung sarili mo playing Little John?
Talagang feel ko po mag-goosebumps po kung medyo nag-age na po ako tapos tinatawag pa rin ako Little John. Parang doon po talaga ako sumigat, doon po nag-trademark.
Well, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala and parang every time na maririnig ko yung Voltes 5, andun yung pakiramdam. Alam mo yung una ko kasing nadinig yan, parang yung responsibilidad, parang
Yeah.
hindi ko alam kung kaya kong gampanan. Pero masaya ako. Kasi naging part ako ng history ng
Of course.
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas.
Ang Pilipino ang kauna-unahang gumawa na live action series ng Voltes 5. And sobrang thankful ako. Siyempre kay Lord, kay Direk Mark for trusting me this role. And yun, sayang masaya.
That was one of my dreams, one of my life goals. So when it happened, I still can't believe it until now na it's still ongoing and then now the toys are coming in. So syempre proud. When I was directing it nga, nung ginagawa namin series, minsan may mga ibang eksena ng iconic, I could hear them talking in Japanese. Kasi doon ako nasanay sa Blu-ray, pinapanood ko yun. So when it finally we watched it in Japan and they were talking in Japanese, ang una nagsalita si Zardos. When he spoke Japanese, talagang kami mangiyak-iyak.
Yeah, so good.
Iba yung dating.
Thank you so much, Sir Mark, for bringing Voltes 5 to the next generation.